Hello, in this video I'm going to add a logo up here to the header. I want to show you how to use a new thing since version 4.5 of WordPress. They added this support for a custom logo. It's pretty cool. In the customizer you can allow your users or you yourself to upload an image to your WordPress theme. So from your WordPress dashboard, if you go to Appearance and then Customize, right here in the site identity there'll be a spot where you can upload your custom logo like you can with your site icon. So your site icon is this little fab icon up here that currently ships with WordPress. But back to it, we're gonna add this support for this custom logo. So like the WordPress codex says right here, we just need to grab this add theme support. And I'm using a theme that I developed called StratPress. It's based off Bootstrap 4.0. Right now it's free on my GitHub page if you want to grab it and kind of follow along or use it as a starter theme for you. But in my functions file here, before this add action after theme setup, I'm going to add this line of code called the custom logo. And you can put a comment in here as well, just to make sure that you know what this line of code is doing later on, kind of like these other lines below it. If I could type. So once we have that line of code and we save it, we can go to our dashboard again and go to Appearance, Customize, and Site Identity. And you'll notice here that the logo, there's a spot here to add the logo. So I was messing with it, that's why you saw the little flash of the logo beforehand. So what we're going to do is select the logo, and I've already uploaded some media. You can upload anything you want. Make the alt text whatever your logo is, select it. And that's a pretty cool feature here where you can crop the image, but I'm going to skip the cropping because I want to use the whole thing there. And you can see that it's added in our dashboard now. So if we save and publish, you see that it's saved, and we can X out of here. So now that we have the logo saved, we need to edit the code to display that logo. So it's pretty easy to do. Normally your logo is displayed in your header. So in my instance, it's in the header PHP. And right here you can see that I have this h1 tag, and right now it's just currently displaying the blog name. So I'm going to comment this out for right now, and I'm going to add the code to display the logo, which is just the custom logo. So we do that, and you see in the background that the logo is added. Now if you inspect this element here, you can see that it wraps it with an A tag, and it's ready to go. So if you go to any of your posts and you click back on it, it'll take you back to the home page. So now what I want to do is add some code, like an if statement, like a check, to make sure that that logo is actually there, and if it's not there, display the text. So for instance, back into the Customize, Site Identity, remove the logo, save and publish. When I update this page, you'll notice that nothing's here, and that'd be a problem. You know, if there's not a logo, we need to display something. So I'm going to write a check, pretty much an if statement, a PHP if statement, that checks to see if the logo's there, and if it's not there, I'm going to display, this line of code. So let's use this PHP tag here, and I'm going to do an if has custom logo. Now this is a function that WordPress actually gives us that we can use to check to see if the logo's there. So if it has a logo, then I want to display the logo, of course. So the code that we just used, the custom logo. Perfect. Then I can do a little else statement here. So if it has a logo, I want to display it. If it doesn't have the logo, then I want to do this code here. So since this is HTML code, we got to close these and then open it back up so we can write HTML within a PHP tag. So that should work pretty good now. So if we save that, you'll see that just the text is there, which is perfect. So in the code, it doesn't have the logo, so it's displaying this text here, which is our blog info, the name of our blog. So now if we go back into the WordPress dashboard, site identity, select the logo, select it, skip the cropping, save the changes, refresh the front end. There we have it. We have our logo. So that's a quick tutorial on how to use the new theme logo custom support in your WordPress theme. Hope you enjoyed.